Hey, Mr. Buffington here. We've got a lock puzzle. This one here is one of my favorites that I've had so far. I really enjoy this puzzle. Not only is it super sturdy, it's a really solid puzzle. It's not going to break like some of the other ones I've accidentally broken because I'm a Neanderthal with these things. But this one here you won't be able to break. It's quite solid and it has a really clever solution. So you can see you do have keys, of course, and you can try the key in there. Won't really work. I fiddled with some of these knobs on the back. I messed with kind of this. I tried to see if I could get some wiggle room with it. I kind of shifted this and started noticing there was a little bit of wiggle room there, which of course got me seeing if I could maybe wiggle this with that. But in the end, I did find the solution, and I'm going to share it with you after this spoiler warning. Spoiler warning, here it comes. All right, there is one piece of this that does move. Oh, by the way, there's also a hole in the back that I spent a little bit of time working on. But there's a piece that moves, and you can see it right there. That, when you push down on it, reveals a second keyhole, which is the solution to this puzzle. It's pretty clever. I mean, it took me a while to get it, honestly. I fought with this one for a little bit before I noticed that one. There it is. Now that you know where it is, it's like kind of stands out a little bit. But honestly, this is one of the strongest lock puzzles that I've gotten. I really like it. It has a really steady, sturdy feel to it. So you can hand this to a kid and have them mess with it and they won't break it, which is really cool. Because I like to share my puzzles. After I solve them and I make videos, I like to share them with people when they come over and visit. And this is a great one for that. It's going to go on my shelf. All right. I hope that video was fun for you and that you enjoyed this puzzle. If you do, I'll have videos, or I'll have links in the video description where you can get a hold of this one from Puzzle Master. They have the best puzzles there. Go ahead and grab one, and I will send you some links in the video description. Hope that was fun for you. Have a wonderful day.